This video shows an easy technique for designing a knight for a chess set. We first start with the Tinkercad Design application to create the top part of the knight. To help me visualize the shape of my knight, I will use a silhouette image that I found on Google Images. Choose the sketch tool located in the right column of the screen and place it in your work area. Click on the screen to draw a rough sketch that looks similar to the knight that you see in your image. Note that this sketch doesn't need to be exact, it just needs to be more or less the same shape as the knight on the image. Click on the Finish Sketch button when you are done. Now double-click on the model to continue refining the sketch. Double-click each of the points around your rough sketch to transform them into Bezier curves. Go through all of the points and adjust them as needed to make your sketch look more and more like your image. These adjustments may take several tries, so it's important to be patient and to take your time getting it just right. Once you are satisfied with the result, adjust your model's overall dimensions. We can see that this model has a small flaw at its base. Go back to the sketch editor and delete the point that's causing the problem. To complete this part of the design, rotate the model 90 degrees around the x-axis. Click the small black triangle at the top of the model to move it up along the z-axis. Do this to position the base of the model to z equals 0. Now we will code the base for our knight using the Tinkercad Codeblocks tool. Copy this code, then export the model in the shape format. Click on the Export button and select the Shape option. Give this shape a name. This name should help you identify the shape. Go back to the previous model that you created in Design. Click the drop-down menu on the right side of the screen, then select your creations. Click and drag the base you just exported from Codeblocks and place it next to your knight's head. Use the various control points on your knight to position it above your base. Adjust the dimensions of the knight by holding down the Shift key while dragging one of the white squares at the base of the piece. Press Ctrl A to select all, then press the L key to activate the centering tool. Finish by grouping the two parts of the model together.